You're lying down on the floor,
躺在地板上，
being comfortable
完全的放松，
and totally at ease with oneself.
跟自己在一起很舒适。
Just to give an ambience,
给出一个温和的背景音，
a gentle surrounding sound you can hear,
大家能听到的这个很放松的音乐，
and get yourself in tuned
让自己很好的调节，
with that sound.
与这个声波和谐一致。
Now be aware of the contact areas of your body and the yoga mat.
去觉察身体和瑜伽垫的接触，
Very slowly,
非常缓慢的，
and totally be aware of the contact areas.
去完全的觉察所接触的部位。
You
你
are going to relax
准备要放松
your all the skeletal muscles
你所有的骨骼肌，
with your breathing.
用你的呼吸
Take one deep breath in,
做一个深长的吸气，
exhale completely.
完全的呼气。
Like this. Get ready.
准备好啊！
Gently move
缓慢的活动
your toes
脚趾，
up and down
上下活动，
once,
一次，
and feel that your toes are relaxed.
去感觉你脚趾的放松。
Quickly
啊，可以快一点，
move your ankles,
活动我们的脚踝
move your leg,
以及双腿，
tighten your thighs,
收紧大腿。
and imagine that your lower body is relaxed.
可以观想整个下半身的放松。
Because of time,
由于时间
we'll only say one chanting at a time.
啊，每一次我们只唱一遍啊。
To relax the lower body,
为了放松下半身，
we'll take a deep breath in and chant one
深长的吸，然后唱啊啊，
Take a deep breath in.
吸气，
Shift your awareness to your hands.
将我们的觉察转到我们的手，
Gently move your hands once side by side.
轻轻的左右活动一下我们的双手，
Be aware of your breathing.
觉察我们的呼吸，
Take a deep breath in.
再一次深吸气，
Exhale completely.
完全的呼，
Be aware of your chest muscles
去觉察我们的胸腔的肌肉
and your breathing.
以及我们的呼吸。
To relax this middle part of our body,
为了放松身体的中段，
we are going to say one oo.
我们来唱一个呜，
Take a deep breath in.
深长的吸，
Gently move
慢慢来活动，
your awareness towards your neck and head.
到我们的颈部和头来觉察它们，
Turn your head towards one side
轻轻的转头向一边，
and then towards other side,
然后再向另一边，
and then
然后
you are relaxing
你再放松
your head and neck area
你的头和颈部，
with the help of one
用一个的声音来，
Take a deep breath in,
深长的吸，
inhale,
吸气，
exhale. Be aware of your body.
去觉察我们的身体，